Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mouse Click PS4 is probably one of the most sought-after gaming accessories for PlayStation 4 users who desire enhanced precision and speed, especially in fast-paced games that demand quick reflexes and accurate aiming. This innovative device transforms your standard PS4 controller into a hybrid, blending the familiar comfort of a gamepad with the pinpoint accuracy of a mouse, promising a competitive edge and a more immersive gaming experience. But is it worth the hype and investment? Let's find out. Number 5. Fosmon Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. This innovative keyboard is compact and portable, giving you the freedom of wireless connectivity. It's perfect for use with a variety of devices. Navigate your cursor easily with the built-in touchpad, eliminating the need to touch the screen or use a separate mouse. Everything you need is right there. It connects to a wide range of devices, including Apple TV, Amazon Fire Stick, PlayStation, and more. Enjoy a working range of up to 33 feet. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 10 days of continuous use and 50 days of standby time. LED indicators keep you informed of the battery status. Use it comfortably even in low-light conditions thanks to the convenient backlit keys. It's perfect for any environment. We offer a limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Please check your device's Bluetooth capabilities before purchasing. What we like. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, connects wirelessly to almost any device, and works with your PS4, Apple TV, and more. If you need a portable keyboard for multiple devices, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it perfect for travel or use with various entertainment systems. You'll appreciate its convenience and ease of use. Number 4. NACON Revolution Unlimited Pro V3. Get ready to experience the next level of gaming. It offers unparalleled control and customization, taking your gameplay to new heights. Enjoy the freedom of wireless play or the stability of a wired connection. It adapts to your setup seamlessly. Immerse yourself in the game with crystal clear audio and communicate effortlessly with your teammates, whether you're playing wired or wirelessly. It features dual customizable sticks with 3 amplitude options, 30, 38, 46. Personalize your control to perfectly match your play style. Further refine your precision with interchangeable stick heads. Find the perfect fit for ultimate control. Stay informed with smart LED indicators. It provides clear visual feedback on your controller's settings and status. What we like. This controller offers both wireless and wired options, has customizable sticks for enhanced precision, and includes audio and chat support. If you're a serious gamer looking for a high level of control and customization, this is a great choice. The flexibility of connection types and customization options make it ideal for competitive gaming. What people say. The controller feels incredible to hold. It's so perfectly ergonomic and all of the buttons have a nice, clicky satisfying feel. It also has a very nice, grippy texture. The remappable buttons on the controller are very easy to set up, no additional software required. It has a switch on the back to swap between wireless and wired modes. Also a switch to swap between PC and PS4 modes. There is no input lag, in my experience. The battery life is noticeably better than the standard DS4 controller. The included dongle is easy to set up, it is plug and play 100%. It turns on like a normal DS controller, press the PS button in the middle. To power off the controller, press and hold the PS button for about 5 seconds, and it will shut off. Number 3. AceGamer PS4 Controller V2. Introducing the AceGamer wireless controller, designed for PlayStation 4, Pro, and Slim consoles. It offers enhanced gaming experience with improved features and a comfortable design. It's compatible with your PS4, PS4 Pro, PS4 Slim, and even your Windows PC. For initial pairing, a quick USB connection is needed, then you can enjoy wireless freedom. Experience precise control with the evolved analog sticks and trigger buttons. It features dual motors, a gyroscope for motion sensing, and a clickable touchpad for enhanced gameplay. The vibrant design is created with a high-quality water transfer printing process, not cheap stickers. A special oil is applied for a smooth, sweat-resistant finish. Enjoy the integrated light bar and 3.5mm audio jack for a more immersive gaming experience. It also includes extra thumb caps for personalized comfort. AceGamer is dedicated to providing custom controllers for gamers. Explore our store for more designs or contact us for a truly unique controller. Your purchase includes the controller, a charging cable, instructions, and 2 extra thumb caps. Everything you need to start playing. What we like. It's a wireless PS4 controller with a unique custom design and a comfortable, non-slip grip. If you want a controller that stands out from the crowd and provides superior comfort during long gaming sessions, this is it. The combination of aesthetics and ergonomics makes it perfect for those who value both style and comfort. What people say. The buttons are great quality. Everyone. There's no cheap clickety-click noise. Smooth and quiet. The R1, R2, L1, L2 buttons, to me are even better than Sony's. Especially driving. If I wanted to cruise, I could cruise. Mash down and you're full speed. Feels good in the hands, palm grippers are nice addition. The vibration is also great. It may not be as strong as Sony's, but it's not a big enough difference to say it's weak by any means. Performs well. The battery life is amazing, I mean nothing else to say about that. It's built with quality and it's lighter than Sony's. But feels good and of quality. Number 2. eXtremeRate ThumbsGear for PS5 PS4. Experience enhanced control and comfort with these interchangeable thumbsticks. They're designed to improve your gaming experience and reduce hand fatigue. These thumbsticks offer 3 different heights, allowing you to customize your setup for optimal comfort and precision. Easily switch between heights without disassembling your controller. Choose between concave and convex grips to find the perfect fit for your thumb. The concave grip provides a secure hold, while the convex grip offers increased comfort. Combine different heights and grip styles to create the perfect thumbstick configuration for any game. Find the ideal setup for peak performance. Installation is a breeze. The included tools and our easy-to-follow YouTube video guide will have you up and running in minutes. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience. They are compatible with both PS5 and PS4 controllers, offering a versatile upgrade for your gaming setup. Please note that they are not compatible with other controllers. What we like. These thumbsticks are adjustable in height and have different grip styles for enhanced comfort and control. If you're looking to improve your aim and reduce hand fatigue, these are a must-have. The easy installation process makes upgrading your controller a breeze. Number 1. eXtremeRate PS4 Clicky Kit. Transform your gaming experience with this kit. It features tactile clicky buttons for enhanced responsiveness and precision. This kit provides satisfying tactile feedback with every button press. Enjoy a more precise and responsive feel. It shortens the travel distance of your bumper triggers, leading to faster reactions and a competitive edge. Experience quicker response times. The kit makes your face buttons more responsive and accurate. Say goodbye to missed inputs and hello to precise control. Installation is straightforward. Find our easy-to-follow video guide on YouTube for step-by-step instructions. The package includes a custom flex cable, button kit, rubber pad, screwdrivers, and spare screws. Everything you need for a seamless upgrade. It's compatible with select eXtremeRate accessories for even more customization options. Expand your controller's capabilities. Please ensure your PS4 controller is a Gen 2 model, CUH ZCT2, JDM 0405055, before purchasing. Check the compatibility image. The Mouse Click kit uses comfortable silicon tacked switches, so you won't experience fatigue during long gaming sessions. After installing this kit, you'll notice a significant difference in racing games, always at full speed. What we like. This kit gives your PS4 controller satisfying tactile clicks and a mouse-like feel. If you want a more responsive and precise controller experience, this is the upgrade you need. The easy installation and compatibility with other eXtremeRate products make it a great addition to your setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.